Hello guys, this is AM and welcome to the channel. This is the new section where I take a new interesting topic related to computer science and sometimes not, but certainly giving you a new information in every video. In this video, we will be having a casual talk on VR, more specifically on the technologies which came after VR and what is the scope of these new technologies. Let's look at them. Virtual reality gives us a remarkable experiences of the new reality and sometimes funnier, sometimes scarier, but we can experience all those new environments just from your living room. Devices like Google Cardboard, which are available at very minimal prices, have made a VR experience available to just for a common man. But Google Cardboard is not effective to give us whole VR experience. Generally, HTC Vive and devices similar to those range are helpful to produce so much power that you can really get the full VR experience. The problem and the most awkward thing about VR is if your friend is watching the VR content and you are just standing beside him awkwardly and do not have anything to do, it is one of the obstructing thing about VR. So some of this disconnect is alleviated by a mixed reality. Mixed reality, or shortly MR, is a reality medium where we can share the user's virtual reality context in a two-dimensional video format. Thereby, if you use mixed reality, you need not to just awkwardly stand beside, but get the full VR experience of what your friend is seeing on a video content, and thereby you know what your friend is reacting to. The main problem with mixed reality is how far it wants to make a virtual reality a good feeling for other viewers. Still, the headset continues to be a blocker because it blocks major part of the face and thereby blocking the facial features. So what's the solution to this? If you do not want the headset, you have to simply remove the headset. The main solution to this is virtually remove the headset, and thereby developers at Google call it headset removal technology. This headset removal technique uses the industry's cutting edge technologies like machine learning, 3D vision and most advanced graphic techniques to virtually remove the headset and thereby giving the facial expressions in the video format. So the core idea was to use the 3D model of the user's face and somehow stitch this model for the hidden face in the video, thereby creating the illusion that headset was never there. As we know, this technique uses cutting edge technologies like machine learning and 3D vision, but I intend not to use this terminology and rather understand what approach that the developers have taken to solve this issue. So the first step in this technique is called dynamic face capture. It generally is done in two stages. So first stage is getting the 3D model of the user's face. This is captured by high definition color and depth camera. This is also called as gaze dependent dynamic appearance. So the second step in the first stage is to now get the eye movement. To create a mixed reality video, we require external camera and time synced and calibrated headset. Yes, we need all that. The camera captures the user standing in front of the green screen. So the user will continue to use the VR rather than a normal environment, but on a green screen. Thereby, we can then use this footage to programmatically cut out the user from the screen and thereby compositing him in a virtualized environment. So cutting out the user from the green screen and compositing him on a virtual environment is rather easy than the step that is coming now. So we have to render the 3D model and the gaze database that we have captured from the pre-processing environment and somehow stitch these 3D face and the eye movement together and dynamically render on the headset. This whole process is continuously done at the runtime by both machine learning, which uses cutting edge neural networks, etc., to search for the perfect eye gaze, for the perfect eye movement for the particular face position. So and the 3D vision 3D vision and the graphics technologies uses this 3D model to dynamically at runtime paste composite this 3D model on the headset marker, where thereby creating the illusion that headset was never there. So reading and talking about mixed reality and headset and technologies like headset removal is after all making virtual reality a old technology. But how much did you experience the virtual reality? If you haven't, get the Google Cardboard and put the headsets on and enter into the world of virtual reality. I would like to take this opportunity to give a big shout out to Vasavi College of Engineering. We are planning a huge augmented reality experience for our Tech Fest, which will be on 23rd of this month. If you are in Hyderabad, make sure you check out the fest. It will be the first one of the kind fest. You will be able to see wide variety of events based on augmented reality and maybe on also virtual reality. If you haven't experienced virtual reality and augmented reality yet, make sure you be in Vasavi College of Engineering on 23rd, and also maybe have some fun on 24th and 25th. See you there.